Hey everyone, my name is Vivek. I'm the National Media Coordinator for the Syro-Malabar Youth Movement of Australia, and today we're just going to quickly run through a small tutorial on how to register for and also use the Kahoot platform, which we will be using for our Biblia National Bible Quiz Tournament. So the first thing that you will need to do is register, and registration for this will take place through Google Forms. It's a pretty quick registration form. It lists the Biblia Tournament guidelines, which you will need to read before registering. And the tournament guidelines just basically runs through some of the information about the quiz, including what topics the quiz will be on. And it also runs through some finer details, such as some of the entry requirements, how the point system works, and also about the prizes that are up for grabs. So if we head back to the Google form, if you're registering as an individual, then please use your own email address and details. Please make sure to use a valid email address, as we'll be using this to forward any communication regarding the tournament, such as tournament dates, and also your unique ID number, which I'll explain a little bit later, but it is very important. If you're playing as part of a team or a family, you only need to register for one person in that family or team. You can nominate a team leader and use their information to register. Now, once you're done registering, you will receive an email from us, and this will just basically kind of highlight some of the earlier things mentioned in the tournament guidelines, but more importantly, you will find your unique ID number. Now, this ID number is unique to each individual team, and the ID number consists of 4 letters followed by 4 or 5 numbers, depending on which parish you're from. So please make sure to keep this handy and write this down, as you will need this to enter the Kahoot platform, which we'll be using for the quiz. Alright, so let's head over to Kahoot now. So Kahoot is the platform we will be using to answer the questions. So this big window that you see on the right hand side is what you will see through the Zoom application. So this is where you'll see all the questions being displayed. And then if we hop over to our phone on the left hand side, this is how we will answer the questions. So you can access this by visiting www.kahoot.it. You can join this on a phone or a laptop, whatever is convenient and available. And so the first thing you'll need to do is enter the game pin. Now this game pin will change each round, so make sure to enter in the correct number, so 645963. We click enter, and then it's asked us to enter our unique ID number. Now this is the same unique ID number that was emailed to us, and again, make sure to enter in the right number, as this is what we will be using to track your scores. So if you enter an incorrect ID number, then you might not get all the scores from your rounds. So let's enter it in, AUSA1001, click go. And the final thing you need to enter in is a nickname. So please make sure that it is appropriate, and you can enter it in either your full name or a family name. So we'll enter in John Doe, and click OK. And you can see on the Zoom window that John Doe has appeared. So please make sure to enter in at least, or join in at least 10 minutes before the round is meant to start. So the round will start at 1:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and it will start at exactly 1:30. So please make sure to join at least 10 minutes beforehand so you don't miss out when the round starts. So we'll now just run through 4 styles of questions that will be present in the quiz, so you're all familiar with how the quiz will run. So the first style of question is a multi-select question. So it's asked us to click on the number 3. So if we hop over to our phone, you can see that 3 is the orange button. Now for this question, it has asked us to click number 3, but depending on what the question is, there might be multiple correct answers. So please make sure to pay attention to the question. And you can see we got that right. So we'll head to the next style of question. And this is a true or false. So click on the answer, which is blue. So we'll head over to our mobile device and click on the blue device. Now, if you read through the guidelines, you can also see how this point system works as well. We'll head to our third style of question, which is an open-ended style. So what is the first name of our dear bishop? So we'll head over to our phone and we need to type this answer out. So B-O-S-C-O, Bishop Bosco. Click send. And you can see that is correct as well. So we'll head over to our final style of question, which is a puzzle style. So arrange the following in ascending order. So we'll head over to our mobile device. Now this is not in the correct order, so we'll place it in the correct order. So 5, 24, that, and that. And now once you're done placing it correctly, you need to click this blue button to submit the answer. Otherwise it will not submit an answer. Now those are the 4 styles of questions which will be present in this tournament. And if you have any other questions relating to either Kahoot or the registration process, please feel free to email us at projects.ya@syro-malabar.org.au or reach out to your regional SMYM coordinators. Now, as I mentioned beforehand, registrations will close on Friday, May the 22nd at 11 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to register well before that so you don't miss out. And we will see all of you there on May the 23rd for our Biblia National Bible Quiz Tournament.